Class ko po sa AIJC is of course learning from the best po talaga. From actual professionals in the field, and mostly kung iniisip po natin when it comes to sa grad school or graduate program, minsan nandun po yung limitation natin na the same professional fields na say for example nasa academic field po tayo, pero dito po sa AIJC apaka-diverse po ng professors natin, meaning they're actually doing their hands-on experiences sa field and they're sharing it with the class. At the same time, kung nagkakaroon po tayo ng mga group projects or group presentations, doon ko po nakikilala yung mga kasama ko from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Wow. And at the same time, from different media outlets, they're able to share their stories. Ay, ganun pala sa field na iyan. Then, ibabato ko po sa klase ko since I teach Bachelor of Arts in Communication students sa undergrad. Yun rin po yung parang binibigay ko pong inspiration sa kanila. So, Craft of Communication with Ma'am Christine, sa ano po siya, sa Philippine Daily Inquirer. Yung mga sinishare niya pong mga experience, writing po talagang pipigain po ang iyong kaalaman dyan. Hindi po pwede rin yung parang manood lang tayo. Talagang we have to put that into practice, and talagang nakatulong po talaga sa akin yun sa class. At the same time, when it comes to producing write-ups for our office, malaking tulong po yung mga learning outcomes from the different subjects. I'm specifically focused po sa program ng Master of Arts in Com. Kaya ito po yung mga subjects ko along with my other classmates. So we produced plans such as this one, IMC plan with Ma'am Muppet, knowledge management plans. Hindi ko po i-spoil yung iba, so hindi ko po sasabihin lahat. Communication research methods. Dito po, you thought you already knew a lot of principles when it comes to research, pero pagdating po sa mga classes talaga, ang daming hindi pa po alam na dapat nating alamin. So kung ito po yung ating field sa office or kailangan po ng, I think almost all offices naman po kailangan ng research, mapa-marketing po siya, or sa academe, or sa government, meron po tayong mga research na ginagawa. So ang dami pong methods na naituro po sa amin, and it's really connected to real-world challenges. Before, akala po natin yung mga current issues na alam natin or nakikita sa news, usually sa social media, yun na po yun, pero there's more to it. So mag-e-expand po talaga gaya po ng nasabi ng ating mga graduates. It's more than just lectures and deadlines. So why AIJC? Space for growth, creativity, and number one po talaga sa akin si connection. So aside from education, talagang nakaka-relate rin po tayo sa path natin if we're still a bit wobbly sa ating mga tinitake sa ating career paths. Parang guidance counselors na rin po ang ating mga professors here at AIJC. Beyond education, meron yung mga family life rin po nila na-share sa atin. We're able to learn different values rin po from our professors. Nandun pa po ako palapit na po sa finish line. So I am indeed a proud AIJC student. Yung challenge, sabi rin po karamihan po ng aming professors, is that after taking all the units sa programs, meron na po tayong 2 certificate. Yung iba po talagang minsan nahihirapan sa pagsimula ng thesis. Ako nga po, nandun na po yung pressure na dapat simulan ko na. At the same time, I'm already talking with my thesis advisor. Ayun po yung kagandahan sa connections or networking na sinasabi po natin. Eventually, we'll be able to identify rin po while we go along the way kung sino po yung maging thesis advisor natin for this particular program. And I do hope na lahat po tayo patungo doon sa after taking the academic courses or subjects towards thesis, tuloy-tuloy na rin po talaga natin. Para hindi na po tayong mag-extend. Sayang naman po yung ating, we're also saving time as well as sinusulit rin po natin yung opportunity para hindi po tayo mawalan rin ng buwelo when it comes to finishing our thesis. I do hope as well na ito yung masasabi po natin na I am a proud AIJC graduate. I do hope that everyone will still continue to enroll and are encouraged to enroll sa AIJC kasi marami po talagang matutunan dito. At the same time, very student-friendly.